Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to bold text in Line app. So first of all, open the Line application on your device. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Now what you have to do is go to the chats interface, tap on the chats icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the chats interface. You'll be able to see all of your chats over here. Simply tap on the chat where you would like to send the bold text. Now after you do that, that particular chat will be opened. Tap on the message bar that you can see at bottom. Now if you want to bold the text, what you have to do is enclose the text within the asterisk. So for that, what you have to do is type in asterisk. Now after you do that, type in your text over here. Now after you enter your word or phrase, what you have to do is enter the asterisk again. Make sure not to give any spaces between the letter and the asterisk. Now after you do that, tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the text has been sent. Now the recipient will see the bold version of this text. So like this, you'll be able to bold the text. So that is how you bold text in Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.